like they're actually investing in themselves. They're investing in themselves. I'm just the person that they're using as an investment to basically hold that space.
You're supporting them in their investment in themselves.
But ultimately, they're investing in themselves, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm actually, and the more you invest in yourself and invest in your growth, and actually, one of the distinctions when I first arrived here, that I really liked is that because it's so important to sort of notice your linguistics as well and what you say, because you probably remember when I first got here, I was talking about confronting your fears, whereas you were saying no, it's about actually, what was it you said?
Embracing
the
fears.
fears. Yeah, like actually embracing it and not confronting it. And I just, like, logically I knew that I wasn't meaning confronting, absolutely, and that in itself is scary, because one of the things.
So easy to fight something and confront it, isn't it? It's a different story embracing it.
It is, and actually, this is what might be required for you to actually, move through what you're going through, and actually grow through that next level, and actually, see the other side of it, and then, embrace the next thing that comes up, and that's growth. I mean, the universe is constantly transforming, and the only way it does that is through. And one of the other real profound things that I found as well was that after that, when I had that other sensation where you kind of maybe described it as like something's entering the body, maybe a spirit or something, this actual sensation I got of actually something sort of coming in from the top, like through my arms, and that actually sort of, I guess the entering, that's the word you use, entering. I found that was really profound as well, that because the sensations of heat that produced, it was just like this intense heat, and I'm like, where did that come from? That was very profound, very interesting indeed.
Beautiful.